Hi viewers, welcome to today's lesson. The subject is mathematics and the topic is bar graph. By the end of this topic, I'm expecting you to be able to draw a bar graph and use any table given to you to answer any question on bar graph. Last week we looked at pictogram and we said that pictograms we use picture to represent information. Today in bar graphs, we use rectangular forms, columns or block to represent information, and these rectangular forms must be of equal width and the gaps between them will also be equal, and the bar graph can be drawn either vertical or horizontal. We understand this topic better using an example. Example 1. The table below shows the number of biscuits eaten by 5 people. Represent this in a bar graph. This is the table. This table represents the number of biscuits eaten by 5 people. The first person here, these are the people. We have Mmeso, Kamdili, Amanda, Aneke, and the Chukwuma. Mmeso ate 25 biscuits. Kamdili ate 15. Amanda ate 10. Aneke ate 25, while Chukwuma ate 30. We have to represent this information in a bar graph. Before we do this, we must take our scale. And I've written here, let 1 cm represent 5 units. I will show you what that is. But before you use this, you have to know the numbers there, the biggest number and the smallest number. The smallest number here is 15, while the biggest number here is 30. Use what? 1 cm to represent 5 units. You need a ruler and a pencil for you to be able to draw your bar graph. When you look at your pencil, it's written in cm or mm. But I say use cm, that means 1 cm, you use it as your 5 units in this bar graph. Now let's represent this table in a bar graph. The first thing, draw your vertical line using your ruler. Just watch me closely. You understand the topic is very easy. Very easy. Now these are the number of biscuits. This place is number of biscuits, but we start from the origin 0. Number of biscuits. These are biscuits. The amount of biscuits that they've eaten. Now how do we choose our scale? I say use 1 cm to represent 5 units. So I count in 5. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now these are my 1 cm. This gap from here to here is my 1 cm. From here to here my 1 cm. From here to here is my. So 1 cm is representing 5 units. And this place are the children. Now I want to represent Mmeso's biscuit. She ate 25. Now where do we have 25 here? This is where we have 25. So I'll come and draw from 25. You must use your ruler. I'm just trying to save your time. You see, Mmeso ate 25 biscuits. So I write her name here, Mmeso. We have the next person, Kamdili. He ate 15 biscuits. So I will look for where 15 is. This is where 15 is. I put my ruler and then I draw Kamdili's own graph down. You see it? 15. The next person is Amanda. She ate 10. Where is 10? This is where 10 is. I use my ruler for it. 10. Aneke. Now remember, this is who? Kamdili. You must write their name. This person is who? Amanda. But these are the people. Aneke ate 25. That means Aneke and Mmeso ate the same biscuit. 25. So I trace. This is the same biscuit. Aneke and Mmeso ate the same biscuit. So Aneke. And then Chukwuma ate the biggest. Chukwuma ate the biggest. Chukwuma ate 30. So now we've represented this in a bar graph, and I said that the gaps between them must be equal. These are the gaps between them. The gaps must be equal. Then this rectangular form also must be equal. From here must be equal to this place, equal to this place, equal. They must be equal, and the gaps between them must be equal. Don't worry if you don't understand now. When we see, by God's grace, I will explain more on this bar graph. But let's take another example. Second example, the graph below shows the weight of some children in a class. The weight is measured in kg. Weight, these are their weight, and these are the children. We have Charles. Charles is weighing how many? Charles is weighing 24. When you trace it, Charles weighs 24. Let's see what Ezeboy is weighing. Ezeboy weighs 20 kg. Chinedu weighs 28 kg. Kaima, let's trace it. Kaima weighs 8 kg. And then Kamsi, this is Kamsi's graph. He is weighing 32 kg. Now let's use this graph to answer question. You know that in this particular one, table was drawn, and you have to draw the graph. In this particular one, the table was drawn, and you have to draw the graph. But in this example too, the graph is drawn, and you have to use the graph to do what? Answer the question. Question 1. How much does Kamsi weigh? Now let's check Kamsi. Where is Kamsi? Kamsi, this is Kamsi. So we follow, we trace. Kamsi weighs 32. So he's weighing 32 kg. The next person, how much does Charles weigh? Charles weighs, let's trace, 24. Charles is weighing 24 kg. Who is the heaviest? Look at the graph. Look at the graph and check. So Kamsi has the longest graph. That means Kamsi is the heaviest. Kamsi. And who is the lightest? The smallest person here is Kaima. Kaima is the lightest. Now when you look at these two graphs that we've done, it is just telling us everything that we need to know about bar graph. Don't worry if you don't understand. You can ask me question, or you can go to your maths textbook and study more on this, so that you will learn more. But when we see face to face, I will explain more on this for you. Thank you for listening, and have a great day. But remember to carry out my activities that I will give to you, Class Dojo. Bye, and have a great day.